What is going on YouTube, and welcome to another episode of Crypto Crusaders, where we dominate crypto one coin at a time. Before getting started, I would like to ask, please smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell, helps me make these videos for you guys and find the newest coin. I am not a financial advisor, so please, really please trade out your own risk and do your own research. With that being said, I have a new project for you guys. It's called CryptoGuards, and you can find them at cryptoguards.me. I will also leave a link in the description below. Now, right off the bat, it looks pretty cool. We have some animations here. We have some, looks like some creature thing. So this looks like it'll be some sort of game, some monster versus this robot looking thing with a gun. Now it's a playable game. You can play it. They have a contract, and we'll check the white paper later. It says we're here to protect the CryptoCity MetaVerse against the mysterious forces from outside the Earth. So we're going to watch this video to see what it shows. Alright, so that was pretty interesting. Looks like almost like toy action figures battling against one another. There were the smaller ones, and whatever these things are, and then these robots. Now they have different modes. They have the training mode, PVC mode, PvP mode, NFT crypto guns. So this has a lot of utility because of NFTs, obviously, and it's a collectible in a sense. People like collectibles, they like collecting things, and essentially if you're on the hype, essentially if you have a rare gun or a rare item, it's going to increase over value over time. Now we have the Chicky Chicky, the Sweet Assault, the Electro Rabbit, the Gum Gatling, the Silent Tiger, the Double Shots, Heaven Cheese, and Paw Punch. They also have some gun stores where our guardians can exchange CryptoGuards NFT guns. The guards of the CryptoCity MetaVerse. So you can see right here, here's some of the guards. So I'm assuming these little things are the bad things. Now here we have the team. I really like them because they show their LinkedIns, they have their names, and they have faces. So we know who's behind this project. We have CEO Lee Tran, CTO An Nguyen, journalist Mai Dang, CMO, now I can't pronounce this, CPO Bad Thai, developer Thang Nguyen, art leader Nguyen Ninh. So primarily I would assume a Vietnamese team. This project may have been based off Vietnam, but going forward, something I just noticed is they have a Discord, Twitter, and Telegram on the side. They have an investor called VN Smart Chain, and partners and backers CryptoCars, CryptoPlanes, CoinMarketCap, and CoinGecko. All right, now we're gonna go into the white paper. We're gonna skim through it. Here it talks about a little bit of the lore. CryptoCrusadersbusiness Foundation. You could read that on your own time. Here's more on the lore. Chapter 2 scenario. And Chapter 3 CryptoCity MetaVerse Guardians Assemble. Here we have the team. Now it goes more into depth with who they are, which is pretty cool. So if you didn't already know, Facebook recently changed their corporate name to Meta. This is because they wanted to introduce the Metaverse. Essentially, it's a different world of virtual reality, NFTs, cryptocurrencies, etc., etc., etc. And eventually, at some point, this will be a mainstream thing. I do potentially see this being mainstream, and a lot of people will enter this metaverse, which is all pretty cool. There's marketplaces, you can buy and sell things, you can meet people, you can play games with them, etc. Now going on to the gameplay, obviously you will be fighting against foes, in this case, outer space. In this case, you're fighting people from outer space, or monsters, wherever they are. Looks like your gun has different levels. There's a fire rate, range, damage, and bullet, which could be upgraded, I would assume. There's a training mode where you can train your guardian. PVC mode. Here's the PvP mode and the level EXP required. Pretty straightforward. Now going on to the NFTs, they already talked about some of their guns. It explains what an NFT is. It's a play to earn model, so you could essentially earn real money playing this game. Here we have the tokenomics. It looks like 0.01 went to airdrop, 0.05 went to private sale, 0.06 went to marketing, 6.5% went to the liquidity for the decentralized exchange, 5% went to initial DEX offering, interesting, 0.08% went to advisor fees, 0.09% went to platform development, 45% went to earning, and 12% went to the core team, and they break down how it got distributed, which is pretty cool. Now it talks about the technology, the big chain DB, token bridge, big chain DB, and etc. So it looks like they also build crypto cars and crypto planes, which have been popular projects in the recent times. Talk about the token bridge and the roadmap. It's pretty straightforward. Now, if you want to play this game, you're gonna have to connect your wallet. Just keep that in mind. If you want to play this on your desktop, If you want to play this on desktop, you're gonna need to connect your MetaMask, or perhaps you could use the BlueStacks app to connect, or perhaps you could use the BlueStacks app to access it through a Android type interface. All right, going on to Token Sniffer. Now this is a very low score, 10 out of 100. This passed. So there's a similar contract. The source code contains a proxy contract, which could be changed in the future. Ownership is not renounced. A wallet contains a substantial amount of tokens, and looks like their DX lock has expired as of December 17th. So just be very wary. Now it looks like a user actually reported this for a pump and dump. So just be wary. This is something you may want to consider. This is something that might affect whether you want to get involved in this project or not. However, it doesn't necessarily mean it's a scam. Here we have 19k addresses. Transactions are happening every single minute, so it's quite active. The total supply is 100 million, and their token name is Cigar. Going on to the price, it's currently sitting at $7. It looks like it's trending a little bit upwards. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. Do you think this is a game you want to play? Do you think this has a lot of potential to 100x to the moon, like Axie's Infinity? Personally, I think that the token sniffer test kind of made me a little bit concerned. However, with that being said, everything else was fine to me. I mean, the team showed their faces. They have their LinkedIn out there. They're involved in other projects. So if you do want to get involved in this project, you're going to have to join the community, ask questions, ask a lot of questions. If they don't answer your questions, be wary. Play the game for yourself to see if you can make money. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. With that being said, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.